Alright guys, we're back, and because I can't get over of Gamaliel's awesome, amazing voice, so I'm looking for a video wherein I could, hear more of Gamaliel than seeing him in the trio G.A.C. Some of you recommended this video of Gamaliel and Audrey singing Payphone by Maroon 5 and Wiz Khalifa. Alright, I can't wait to hear this because they say it's amazing and it was posted June 13, 2012. The video is quite old, but music doesn't. It doesn't get old. So, let's listen to this. Aha!
Ready from the bottom, now when you see me, I'm starting. Now all my cuss out with a push it.
Oh my god, they are so
I'm
young!
trying to go home. I'm change I spend on you.
Man!
Where have the times gone? Maybe it's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but it's too late to try. And in our time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my nights. You turn off the lights now.
Look at Audrey.
Still stuck in
Such a
that
little girl.
time when we called it love, but even the sun set in paradise.
Let's go.
I'm at a payphone trying to go home. Change I spend on you.
Gamaliel's so good.
The time's gone, baby, so long. Where are the plans we made for two?
Let's go.
Happy ever after days. I will still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song I'll be saying. Yeah, oh. You turn your back on tomorrow.
Okay, it's Audrey's turn.
I give you my love to borrow, but you just give
Goodbye.
it away. You can't expect me to be fine. I don't expect you to get.
Yeah, come on,
I
girl.
know I've said it before, but all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my night.
Yeah.
Turn off the
I'm enjoying
lights.
this.
I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love, but even the sun set in paradise. I'm out
Nice.
trying to go home on the change I spent on you. Hey, where are the times gone? Maybe it's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after didn't exist, I would still be holding you like this. Yeah, all those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song I'll be saying. Now I'm not a payphone. Man, I'll be out spending all this money while you sit around. What was it you came up from the end? Made it from the bottom, now when you see me, I'm stopping. Now I'm never sorry you're pushing the button and telling me the chances are low or whatever you call it. Switching over to my phone, but you never call it. Swish, what a shame, could've got paid. Had a really good game, but you missed your shot. So you talk about who you see at the top, or what you could have saw the sunset. It's on the floor, then a full love ballet, open door. We say, go away, God, what you looking for? Now it's me, you won't so you can go and take a little piece of shit. We are. I'm trying to go home on the change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby, it's so long.
Nice notes there, Audrey.
We made for two. If I be ever after days, I would still be holding you like that.
Nice.
All those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song I'll be saying. Yeah, I'm at a payphone.
Fudge! Man, this is so good. You're welcome. Wow! Wow! Can't believe it. This version, man, it's so good. It's so raw. It's very real. I mean, without all this technology that enhances the voice. Audrey, this is the first time I heard Audrey's voice. She was still young here, but I think she's more improved now. But listening to this, as young as she is, man, it's so cool. Gamaliel also, with all those guitar tricks and his vocal mastery, it's so nice to listen. If you notice, I was singing with them. That's a good thing when you listen to some cover songs and they made you sing and jam with them. That's one great measurement that the singers or the performers or the cover artists are doing it really good. Man, I can say this is one awesome old antique video of Gamaliel and Audrey. I can't say anything else. They're so good. As brothers and sisters, man, I wish I have my own sister or my own brother to sing with. Yeah, it's so nice. It's definitely one of the best cover songs I've heard so far of, Payphone. If Maroon 5 is listening to this, they will be very proud. And hey, it's Asian, specifically Indonesians, doing this payphone thing, and you watch out. It was really brilliant. It was really a stunning performance from this two. I wish I could have a sibling like this. And also, man, the rap part. I really like the rap part because it's very clear. And they even harmonize during the rap part. But they are taking each other's turns and they are giving one spotlight to one another. I saw what they did there. I'm really happy. It was a very good harmony. It was a very good split up of parts. Whether they are in a duo or in a trio or in a single one, I think they could stand out. I'm hooked. I'm hooked with Gamaliel and Audrey and also Kantika. So I'm gonna listen to them more. And hit me up, guys, of what other videos of Gamaliel or G.A.C are stored for me to react. Just hit me up in my comment section below, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Alright guys, and lastly, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be notified of my next reaction video. So taray guys for listening and for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Alright, so I love you all. Kudos and TATA for now. Salute! Nag-i-LS na siya sa isip ko.